Dear friends and family, we are gathered here today to celebrate the love that Kevin and Anna have for each other and to recognize and witness their decision to journey forward in their lives as husband and wife.
Anna, I remember meeting you in high school. You were the new shy girl. I remember thinking, she's pretty cute. I think I'll ask her out to my favorite fancy restaurant where the chefs make food in front of you. And now that we are here on our wedding day, sharing our love with our friends and family, I just want to thank you. Thank you for being my friend, my girlfriend, my best friend, my fiance, and since last year, my wife.
Anna will never compromise her values or integrity. She is unapologetically herself, but is also always willing to listen. As a friend, she will always empower you. Nobody is walking all over her or her friends. She is strong, intelligent, and compassionate.
You're beautiful.
I always feel a sense of comfort knowing how well Kevin treats Anna and how much he loves her. I will never worry about Anna as long as she's with him.
I have had the joy of seeing Kevin and Anna's relationship grow since it began. It's clearly visible the way they light up when they are around each other. I see Kevin's love for Anna and how much more selfless he has become to do anything he can to make Anna happy. I see Anna's love for Kevin in the way she challenges him on his stubbornness, or in the way she rolls her eyes every time Kevin makes an obscure Simpsons reference. As I've seen them grow throughout their relationship, I've noticed this incredible balance and natural flow between these two. They complement each other, push each other to be their best selves, and do it all with a sense of humor.
Anna, thank you for everything that you do and everything that you are. Today, I stand in front of everyone we care about. I promise I will grasp your hand as we walk down our wedding aisle. I, Kevin, take thee, Anna, to be my wife.
To have and to hold, to love and to cherish.
To have and to hold, to love and to cherish.
For richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health.
For richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health.
With this ring, I take you as my wife.
With this ring, I take you as my wife.
For as long as we both shall live.
For as long as we both shall live.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Kevin, you may kiss the bride.
I vow to inspire, to listen, and to respond. I vow to cherish every moment that we'll remember, to love, to laugh about for years to come.
I am so proud of the man that you've become. You've been a good son to our mom, a loving brother to me, and a great uncle to my kids. So I know you will be a devoted husband to Anna. To both of you, live, love, and most importantly, laugh. If not with each other, at least at each other. I love you both, wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness. I love you.
I've seen where you've encouraged Anna, but also challenged her to push her boundaries. So thank you for loving Anna, being her partner, and protector. So please join me in raising your glass to honor the bride and groom.